Good morning, everybody. On behalf of MSC Industrial Supply Company, I want to welcome you to our virtual Manufacturing Day event. For those of you less familiar with MSC, we are one of the leading distributors of metalworking and maintenance, repair and operations, and industrial supplies in North America. Each day, we help thousands of manufacturers solve their mission-critical challenges on the plant floor through the talent and the expertise that our associates offer. We're always looking to attract smart, talented, and skilled people like you. That's why Manufacturing Day and your participation is so very important to all of us at MSC and to our manufacturing partners. We have high energy, fast-paced content planned for you. The content will cover 3 key themes. The first is innovation. You'll learn that some of the best innovation is taking place today in the manufacturing sector. The second theme you'll note is sustainability, and there's no doubt you already know a lot about sustainability and that it's likely to be as important to you as it is to MSC and all of our key stakeholders. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we'll share information about the exciting and broad range of high-paying careers available to you in manufacturing and in distribution. And I think you'll find that these opportunities are special and that you'll be able to make a lasting impact for your organization, for your community, the country, and without exaggeration, the world. We're not stopping at showing you careers that are available either. Our partner, Tooling U SME, is providing you 1 free Tooling U course, and our partner, America's Cutting Edge, is also providing a free CNC training funded by the Department of Defense, meaning it costs you nothing. I'd like to share quickly my personal career experiences, with the hope that they might encourage you to consider a career with MSC, with one of our partners, or in manufacturing. I'm incredibly passionate about manufacturing and metalworking, and I've been in and around shop floors for more than 30 years. I graduated from Central Michigan University with a degree in business, but a vast majority of my education has really been through hands-on learning. I initially worked in my father's shop before joining J&L Industrial Supply, a distributor MSC later acquired. And I've had the opportunity to get involved in so many aspects of MSC's business for our customers' success. For example, driving MSC's vending strategy, a program that's designed to apply technology to help our customers better manage their inventories. I've learned a ton in leading our metalworking business with annual revenue in excess of $1 billion. And most recently, the opportunity to lead our sales and customer success, which includes our inside sales and our customer service, as well as our field sales organization. These teams interact and support thousands of manufacturing customers each and every day, problem solving and assisting them with their supply chain needs. Along the way, I've been fortunate to work with hundreds of smart, highly talented people, and that has been incredibly gratifying. I share all of this to say that when I started my career, I never could have imagined the opportunities and experiences that I would have had in this field. The variety has made it challenging and interesting, rewarding, and super fun. The key takeaway I hope you're hearing is that the career I'm speaking to you about in industrial distribution plays a critical role in the success of our customers' business and in the millions of manufacturing customers around the world who consume their products. I'll leave you with a few words of encouragement. As you participate and contemplate your careers, visualize where you personally want to plug into manufacturing. There are many incredible opportunities available to you, allowing you to take your career in any direction you'd like. You'll find our content will offer you several exciting career options to consider. Thank you again for your participation, and I hope it's a powerful and informative experience for you.